This is practice test number 4, problem number 2, and we are going to be doing letter D in this video. At the top of the page we have the empirical rules stated for a normal distribution. The problem says that the average price of gasoline in the United States was $3 per gallon, a population with a normal distribution, and a standard deviation of 20 cents per gallon. And then down on letter D, we are asked what percentage of gas prices is between $2.80 and $3. And so I have my normal distribution curve that I've drawn here. And in the center, I have, or underneath the curve, I have my z-scores. The center is always 0, and the z-scores are the number of standard deviations to the right or to the left, and I have positive values to the right, negative values to the left. Underneath the z-scores, I've put my actual gas prices. The mean is $3 per gallon, and then as I move to the left, I subtract one standard deviation, and one standard deviation below the mean is $2.80. The question is, what percentage of gas prices are between $2.80 and $3 per gallon? And that is the same as asking what area is between -1 standard deviation and the mean. So I know from the empirical rule, the first part of the empirical rule tells me that 68% of the data lies between -1 and +1 standard deviation. I also know that the normal curve is symmetric, so half of my data is to the left, half to the right of this line right down through the mean. And in this ±1 standard deviation, if I have 68% or 0.68 of the data, I divide that by 2, and then I have this side over here between -1 and 0. And that is going to give me 0.34, or 34% of the gas prices lie in this area between -1 standard deviation and the mean. So the answer is that 34% of the gas prices are between $2.80 and $3 per gallon.